Hello everyone, my name is Harshi. In this video, I'm going to talk about transitive verbs. Before we begin, I want to say that if you have any questions, you have to let me know in the comment section. And if you want to improve your English grammar, then click subscribe and the bell icon and let's do this together. What is a transitive verb? A transitive verb is the main verb that has a direct object. It acts upon someone or something directly. The objective of the transitive verb comes right after it. As example, I love my parents. I love my parents. So in this example, the direct object is my parents and transitive verb is love. Next one. I will call the students in the morning. I will call the students in the morning. In this example, the direct object is the students and transitive verb is call. Third one. He studied botany for 3 years. He studied botany for 3 years. In this example, the direct object is botany and transitive verb is studied. Last one. John and I bought a house last week. John and I bought a house last week. In this example, the direct object is a house and transitive verb is bought. I will show you another examples for transitive verbs. Now let's see how to find a transitive verb. To find out the transitive verb in a sentence is easy. Ask what or whom to the verb to find out the objective of the verb. The answer to the question what is always an object and the answer to the question whom is always a person. If the verb answers any of the two questions, it is a transitive verb. But if it does not, it is not a transitive verb. As example, she is cooking pasta for dinner. She is cooking pasta for dinner. Cooking what? The answer is pasta. So it's a direct object and transitive verb is cook. Next one. I did not invite Rashmi to the wedding. I did not invite Rashmi to the wedding. Whom did I not invite to the wedding? The answer is Rashmi. So it is a direct object and transitive verb is invite. Another point to remember is that transitive verb can have two objects, direct object and indirect object. It answers both what and who. As example, she gifted me a phone on my last birthday. She gifted me a phone on my last birthday. Gifted what? A phone. It's a direct object. Gifted whom? Me. It's an indirect object. Next one. Could you pass Stephen this book? Could you pass Stephen this book? Pass what? This book. It's a direct object. Pass whom? Stephen. It's an indirect object. Next one. I won't tell them anything. Tell what? Anything. It's a direct object. Tell whom? Them. It's an indirect object. So the verbs that take two objects are called ditransitive verb. Ditransitive verb. I will show you another examples for ditransitive verbs.